this is cool. We can do some different colors for this. This is for the fireworks for New Year's. Let's see. It's stunning. You can do different colors. I'm doing it from a gold. And then I'll do a silver. And then we're back to the gold. That looks good. Then I want to put the top coat on. No white top coat to secure it. Then after that, you're gonna pop in the lamp for 60 seconds. So it doesn't matter, you can use any different colors of foil, and then I'm drawing the patterns using this Premium's Idaho Chamfer foil, and then you're gonna key it for 30 seconds. Press all different colors of foil on it to create your fireworks looks. And now you're gonna pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. You can do with any colors in the background. Okay, guys.